Hey everyone, this is Dirty Hands Homestead.
I'm Judd.
I'm Emmie.
I'm Hannah.
And I'm Alex, and we have Jess. We're based in Greenville, South Carolina, and we hope you enjoy our channel. Like and subscribe, and join us as we get our hands dirty. All right, here we go, first hole. This is an 18-hole course, and I'm gonna win today. Oh yeah, I'm winning. Here we go, let's do it. I'm not proud to admit this, but I did land in the bushes. Way down here. So, I may be bogeying this hole. It's a terrible throw. Judd and Emmie are crushing it. I'm not doing too good. It's time for redemption. Judson Smith, ladies and gentlemen, for the approach. Oh, ring and change, baby. Ring and chains. Good shot, Em. All right, we're on hole number 5.
Yes.
Emmie has decided to just walk.
Because it's sweaty.
It's sweating hot, she says. Judd, you're throwing pretty good. Putts need to be a little bit better, right? Getting a little closer. But he did make it over the creek, so it's a big deal. Here we go for hole number 5. Let's launch it.
Maybe I'm not.
Okay, let's do it.
Do it, fool.
Go, Jen.
Woo! Oh, mama!
Yeah, good throw. Great throw.
Here comes Sissy.
All right, Sissy.
Oh. Yeah.
Left-handed, huh? Okay. Oh, it saved it. All right, let's go. Oh, I just made it off the log.
Let's show my dad.
Look at this shot. Made it.
All in one.
All right, number 9. I'm gonna try to go the distance. You going first? Do it. Hey, great throw. What do you think?
Go fuck with you?
All right. Star Archon. Meet basket number 9.
Here comes the star. The star, baby. Almost. Wait.
Probably 15 feet maybe. A little closer. Send it, girl.
How many times?
That's like number 5 in a row. Oh, great putt. Here we go. So I can hold the camera and do this. All right, we finished the first 9. How you guys feeling?
Great.
Hot.
Great.
What's one thing you're thankful for right now?
That we're in shade.
That we're in shade. Emmie, what are you thankful for?
And we're in shade too.
I'm thankful that we can have some water. All right, we're not gonna play a couple holes because they're kind of long for the kids, so we're gonna cut through and just play probably the last 4 holes. There's a cool creek and stuff like that, so let's go play. We got a big creek crossing here. You ready? See if we can do it. Ruh-roh. Yep. Where's my frisbee? Can he do it, folks? Can he do it, folks? Yay! Finally got it. All right, hole number 18. Let's see it. Yeah, nice. J-Man.
Go, Judge.
Yanked it. Oh, stayed in bounds. All right, great course. It's a hot day. We are finished. We played about 14 of 18 holes, and we're at Greer, city of Greer, one of their parks, Century Park. Good family-friendly park, huge playground, huge baseball field, good 18-hole disc golf. So if you're looking for a place in and around Greenville to get out for the day, play a little disc golf, very family-friendly course as well.
Next.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
What are you so excited about?
There's
It's gonna be a nice wind through your hair, cool you off, won't be so hot. You're gonna go soaring. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Oh, we got some Gatorade. What you got?
This and some more.
Push pop. Peel that up right there. Peel that off. I'm gonna see this bad boy. Old school push pop, baby. Oh, somebody tearing into it back here. What you got? Let me see, dog. Lick it. Does it taste good? What you think? Was it good? All right.